I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping as if adhesion is your only goal, because it is. Clean the damaged panel with degreaser and a lint-free cloth, then sand the area to 300-400 grit to feather the edges and create a rough profile. Once done, blow off dust and wipe with solvent, then mask adjacent panels to avoid overspray. Make sure ambient temperature is between 60 and 80 degrees F. Higher humidity compromises cure. This initial prep controls whether the patch stays or peels later. You'll now apply patch and paint with intent. Shake the can for 1 to 2 minutes and test spray on cardboard to confirm color and flow. Hold the can 10 to 15 cm from the surface and use light cross-hatching strokes, applying thin coats to avoid runs. Wait 5 to 10 minutes between coats so solvents flash off. Build opacity in 3 to 6 passes depending on coverage. Once you have even color, allow a longer flash time before the clear or top coat to prevent solvent lift. You finish by letting the patched area cure before refining the surface. Wet sand with 1000 to 2000 grit to remove texture, then polish to blend with surrounding paint. If you see orange peel, resist the urge to sand immediately, allow full cure, then correct by wet sanding and polishing or recoating if necessary. If adhesion fails or peeling starts, strip to bare metal, reapply primer, and follow the same prep and application steps. This troubleshooting step ensures a durable factory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.